Hello friends, welcome back again to our tutorial videos today on crypto. We're looking at this tutorial video on Binance, and the topic we're looking at is how to generate crypto wallet address on Binance. For so many of us, this may appear like, what is this? But I tell you, there are millions of global citizens online that don't know how to do this. And even if you've not been involved in crypto all these years, I'm thinking that this year you'll see the need to be part of crypto world. And this is one of the areas you're going to have so much problem. You meet an online investment system or even free mining system, and the system requires that for you to make withdrawal of that particular crypto, you are going to generate, put in your Binance wallet address on that particular crypto, and you are confused, you don't know what to do. That is what this video wants to teach you right away. Now, I'm going to quickly take you to my Binance, because that's where it's happening. Now, the first thing you do is to create a Binance. In fact, if you don't have a Binance account, it's just like someone saying, I have a mobile phone, I don't have a Trust Wallet account, or whatever, wallet. I feel like this guy is not serious. Just get it. Even if you are not interested in crypto for now, please make sure you have it. The same thing with Binance. So if you don't have a Binance account, you're going to see the link in this video description to just join. All you need to do is just follow the link, join, and verify your accounts. You're a member of Binance. Now, with that, whether you're using a mobile phone or a desktop, a laptop, you are going to understand what I'm going to teach in this video right away. Now, anyone you are using, just locate your system, your account. You're already in your account now. Locate where you have deposits. Click on it. Once you have deposits, where you have deposits is very important. Now, whatever, or you go to your dashboard. In fact, go to your dashboard. Look at it. If you look at this place now, for instance, you are seeing this particular icon where my profile image lies. You are going to see dashboard. In any case, whether you're using a mobile phone, you're definitely going to see this. Once you see your dashboard, click on it. You're on the dashboard right now. You can see overview, spot, margin, and all that. Overview is how to do with everything about your, account. Whether you have money that's in spot wallet, in margin, in futures, and options, in trading bots, anywhere is funding. Your money goes to funding when you want to. You put it there, so because you want to sell it or whatever, you transfer it to that place. But when you leave it to spot, that's from where you can do trading. So most of our whatever is on spot. If you want to sell it to transfer some, or the ones you want to sell to your funding account and start doing whatever you want to do with that. Now, in any case, come here. Once it's on spot on overview, look at this button here. You're going to have deposit, withdraw, transfer. What's the meaning of withdraw, transfer, and deposit? Deposit means you want to have your wallet address from here and drop to somewhere where they're going to transfer that particular coin to you, so that it will now come to this your Binance account. Meanwhile, withdrawal means you want to transfer from your Binance to somewhere else. Transfer means it's internal movement. You are transferring this particular one to another one within the system. Or most times transferring one account. We also have HL conversion, whereby you can convert this coin to another coin. So these are the options you see. But we're looking at deposit, so I'm going to click on deposits. Remember, I didn't mention any particular coin. So any particular coin you want to generate is address. This is exactly what you're going to do. Now you click on, once you do this, you're going to see this. You click on deposit crypto. It's coming up. Click on deposit crypto. Let's see what happens right now. Now, as you click on that down, you're going to see something like this. Now, the system will now ask you to select coin. In this place, you're going to see a lot of coin. In fact, you don't need to. You can see there are major coins. There are USDT, DAIS, SRP, BTC, BNB. Why are seeing SRP here? Because I've used it recently. Yes. So if actually the coin you are looking for is in among these ones, just click on it. But if it's not there, At least you know the symbol of the coin you are looking for. Let's assume, for instance, I'm looking for this Ave. Are you getting it? I will type something. You can immediately I type AA. Ave is already showing me here. Do you understand? If that's what I'm looking for. Imagine I'm looking for any coin that, you know the coin. Just type, as you're doing it, you're going to see, all you're seeing here now, list of coin. There are so much in number. So type an abbreviation of it and you can see so many of them. So assuming I've got the one I'm actually looking for, now what do I do? Now let me assume I'm looking for XRP. Now click on this. Watch. I want to show you something because this is also where a lot of people make mistake. Please don't make that mistake. The system is going to ask you to choose a network. You know why? Most of these coins are hosted in different networks. You have Tron network, you have Binance, the Trinity network, that's Binance Smart Chain, you have the Binance network, you have Polygon network, so many of them. So which network you're going to choose here? Now, this same SRP, there's a Ripple network. We'll have the one of BNB Smart Chain network. We'll have the Ethereum network. We'll have the BNB Bitcoin network. Are you getting it? That's BEP2. We'll have the BEP20 and all that. So you need to know the one. And so if actually you want to withdraw SRP in any site, the site will also tell you the particular network they are interested in. So if they tell you it's Ripple and you go here to copy Ethereum network, it's not going to match. You will lose your coin. It's not going to go. It won't work. That's exactly just like someone here in Nigeria and someone wants to send money to your GT account and ask you to, you know, give him your GT account, only for you to go and copy your Facebook account numbers, account number details, and then attach your name and say GT. The person will keep on, you know, pressing on, okay, he chooses a bank GT and type your account number. This thing will not work. It's not agreeing. This thing cannot go. Yes, it will never work. So that's it. Now, I choose Ripple. In fact, let's see, we are using the Ripple network. And I choose that Ripple. Now, watch. The system wants to generate a deposit address. I want to show you something. Now, it says both address and memo are required. This is what we call tag or whatever. Sometimes they call it one name or the other, tagline or whatever and all that. So most of these coins, if you are going to make withdrawal, if you are going to receive coin from anywhere, they will not just only ask for your address, they ask for memo, tag, or code. And you have to supply the two. So in this case, the system says, okay, you say, okay, generate it for me. Now, it has generated it for you. Here you see this one, that's the address, and this is that memo code. So if you are going to make withdrawal of this, you are going to send this one to the place, and as well as send this one. In this case, you have generated it. Remember, we'll just use this. What if we want to select another coin? Let me use a popular coin now like BTC. That's Bitcoin. Okay, let me use CRS. Let me use CRS. Now, I choose a network. Can you see CRS as Tron network, BSC network, Ethereum network, BNB network? Let me assume I'm using the TRC20. Now, in this case, they don't have anything like asking for, you know, memo and all that. It's simply one address. So the address has been generated, and I just click on this and send to where I want to send. So that's my TRS address. So even as you're seeing it now, and you think you want to send me some TRS, please can copy this and send to me, and I will love that. Do you understand? This is exactly how to generate it, and it's very, very easy if you know, if you want the video and master it. But if you don't know it, it's going to be a nightmare to you. And that's why we prepare videos like this. So you are new to our channel, you're going to see stuff like this because we are Chima the educator. We educate on every area we know is going to profit you, our subscriber. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you think that this video is good and okay, you love it, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to share in whatever community you belong so that others can as well benefit from this. We are going to stop at this moment. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.